guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a very exciting video because you guys know that I love lashes. You know, I'm not wearing them right now, but I'm gonna put them on. And I'm gonna show you how to put them on because I love lashes. I feel like it completes any look that you try to do, or even if you just put lashes on with no makeup, I think you just look so fierce. But anyways, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, and I would love if you guys like this video, subscribe so that you are notified on when I upload next. But if you guys want to know what's in this amazing package, then please keep on watching. All right guys, so I got an amazing package from Glamnetic. They are the queen bee of magnetic lashes, and you guys, the styles that they own, ooh, they're so fluffy and they're so pretty, and they were so kind enough to send me this amazing bag, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in it. So here we have these amazing lashes. I will put a little clip in of all of them up close and personal instead of doing one of these. But they came out with, there's Imagine, which is like, this is a different color. I think these are like dark brown, which is the ones I'm gonna demonstrate on how to put them on. But you guys, they have like natural lashes. This one's called Miss California, which I love California, but I love the name. This one is called Banger, so cute. And then this one is called BFF, of course. To put them on, they have a magnetic liner, which is right here. I love a liner pen. That has always been my favorite way to apply magnetic lashes, because I find that with, see, there's like pros and cons, is that I love the liner because it's so much more easier because it's like a pen feeling, where if you have the other one, it's a little bit more loosey-goosey. This one probably dries out more, but I feel like, I don't know, I think the conveniency of this is just so much better. So this is the Glamnetic Magnetic Felt Tip Liner in Deep Space. They give you this amazing tweezers, which is called a lash grab. It is so cute. I love the color. I love the packaging. And so this one says Glamnetic, and it has a little comb on it to apply your lashes, which we will show you how to do. The best part with Glamnetic is that they actually also offer nails. They definitely would be amazing to try out. But yeah, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get into this whole thing, and let's do it. So I brought you in a little bit closer so you guys can see. We're gonna be going with Imagine. So Imagine, again, these lashes are beyond gorgeous. Like when I say beyond gorgeous. So they definitely have a little red tint to them, and I love them, which again, you guys can see I don't have lashes on. Okay, so I have a mirror here, so. Ooh, these might be just. All right, so we're gonna put the liner on. As you can see, felt tip. So there you go, just glided it on. And now we take our tweezers. Most likely you're gonna see it magnetize on. There we go. That actually like worked out. My God, this color is beyond. It's brown, right? Or is it purple? Did I pick a funky color? I don't even remember. But we're gonna go and do the other eye. You guys, if you guys need a way to put on lashes, this is honestly the easiest way. All right, so we put that liner on. And that's it. She's ready to go out. It's like an instant click. Like it will be like, oh, it's together now. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love these lashes. These are called Imagine. And then just to take them off, you can go from inner corner to outer corner. I'm actually gonna keep them on because I'm going out later, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, you just put them back in their little case, so it's perfect for storing. You don't have to worry about like, what am I gonna do, where they go. Just put them back, because then they have the magnetic strip and they stay there. They won't be loosey-goosey falling all around. And yeah, thank you so much to Glamnetic. Each lash is a little bit pricier side. It's $30, but they actually gave me a discount code. So if you guys use Leslie Nicole, all in caps, no space, you save 15% off your order. That would be amazing to support me and to support them. And I mean, just even getting just one pair like means a lot to me. And even if you guys don't pick the ones that I picked, the fact that, you know, just trying, like, these lashes are so comfy. I love lashes. Again, it just enhances the look. Like, we can do it before and after. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the lashes from Glamnetics. They are amazing. Brand, female-owned company. That's pretty much it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what was your favorite pair of lashes, or if you decide to go to the website, what lash you are going to be using. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.